You guys, I'm obsessed with this air fryer pineapple recipe. The texture is crispy and tender at the same time, has the perfect caramelization which makes it perfect for dipping into sauces or just eating plain as a snack or along with ice cream for dessert. In a small bowl, combine together the melted butter, brown sugar and cinnamon powder. Mix it and set this aside for now. Remove the outer skin of the pineapple, slice it into rings and core it using a pineapple corer or a piping nozzle and you will get these pineapple rings that you can see here. Add the prepared cinnamon sugar butter mixture on top and smear the pineapple well from all the sides. Transfer it into the air fryer basket in a single layer and air fry at 375 degree Fahrenheit or 180 degree Celsius for 15 minutes, turning the pineapples halfway around. Now you can see that I have lined the base with aluminium foil here, right? But I would recommend you guys to not do this, as upon retesting the recipe, I found that when you place the pineapples directly on the basket, you get a nice charring effect which is missing if you use aluminium foil. And one more thing, I forgot to add red chili powder at the beginning, so I am doing it now. You can add it along with the cinnamon and brown sugar to the melted butter itself. And then air fry this batch for the same time and temperature. So just for comparison, here is a batch of pineapples in which the basket, that is the air fryer basket, was lined with aluminium foil, and look at here, these are the ones without aluminium foil. So the difference is quite noticeable, right? Trust me, air fryer is the easiest way to make this excellent treat for your next summer barbecue party. Apart from eating it on its own, you can use it in your salads or smoothies, but other than that, you can of course use it as a filling in your pineapple cake or garnish it on top of pineapple cheesecake. Both the recipes are available on the channel and I will leave the link for the same in the description box below for you guys. That's it for this one. I'll see you soon with yet another recipe. Until then, this is Sushma signing off. Let me enjoy my grilled pineapples with ice cream now. Okay, take care. Bye bye.